Let's unbox together. This is basically baby clothes, I think. But let's find out together. When you order over 85 items from one place, how will you know what has arrived? Well, let's see this and this and see what is inside. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's already weekend. Okay, I was right. So these are basically clothes. This is a lot. I bought a lot of baby clothing. A lot of baby clothing. What is this now? I'm gonna keep it aside. I'm not sure what that is. Okay, these are all baby clothes. Baby clothes. Baby clothes. Baby clothes. Baby clothes. Oh, my earrings. I'm gonna keep it here too. Baby clothes. Oh, this is mine. My white shirt. For my photo shoots. What is this? Cozy Pixie. Let's find out what Cozy Pixie is. I think it's also a baby cloth. Ah, it's a baby cloth. Such a beauty. Let's put it back. I'm gonna open these later. Mom bra. I don't know if I should even say it out loud. It's so surreal. I can't believe I'm about to wear these. So I got these 3 in 1. They are beautiful. I'm gonna keep my own things here. And more baby clothes. Everything I got is baby clothes. Oh, nightwear. Let's see what this is. Okay, I know what this is. For baby, let's keep this separate. I'm gonna open it another time. Jeans for me. And a lot more baby clothes. Everything here is for my baby. I think this is for me. Yeah, also a nightwear for hospital. That goes to my hospital bag. And more baby clothes. Yeah, baby clothes. Oh, I like this one. And it's all baby clothes. Let's see what this is. I have no idea what this is. What is this now? Ah, my dress for my photo shoot. Is this how the fabric is? Ah, I don't like the fabric. Oh my god, I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna try it out, but I don't like the fabric already. Well, let's see how this one goes. Or what is in here. Do we carry it upside down? I'm gonna open it from anywhere. This should have a lot of equipment. Yay, finally I have my mom cap. Mommy cap. What is that now? Okay. For mommy, of course. Mommy's diaper. Okay. Was it this color I bought? No. I didn't buy this color. Okay. This is just packing bags. Packing bags for mommy. Hospital bag. Okay. What is sealed specially? Is it a gift? We'll find out later. Let's see what this is. So this is baby sterilizer. It's as big as I expected it. Okay, this is baby bag. Of course, a lot of baby things, socks, baby socks more. Ah, my costume. I love it, baby. For my photo shoot. Ah, I can't wait for my photo shoot. Fairy bottle for mommy. For this many things for hospital bag. Baby changer. My baby changer phone. Yeah, it should be. When you open it, you have it. And this is baby monitor. Baby's room. My kitchen. A long time I saw this kind of stainless. It looks like those folding these stainless I used to use. So it's for mommy. A lot more baby clothes. No, these ones are best sprayed. These ones are best sprayed. Yeah, this is towel. Just like this one. I just bought different colors. And this. Okay, also baby. Baby best sprayed or what is a set 3 in 1 set and 4 in 1 set. More baby clothes. Ah, my hairband is pretty. For mommy. Ah, this lash is pretty. For mommy. What is this now? Okay, bag for baby. And my free gift from SHEIN. I joined SHEIN membership club and they told me to pick something free. My free gift from SHEIN. Okay. And this is baby bag. Now we're ready to pack our hospital bag. Last but not least, my costume for my shoots. And that is all